how to select devices for music share on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. And in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on connections. After that, tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on the more button at the top here. Then tap on advanced settings. Next, go down and tap on music share. Make sure you turn on music share so you can use it. Then we scroll down to the bottom, and from here you can choose the devices to share. At the moment I only have one device connected, so I can turn on or turn off the Beats Solo Tray. So once it is turned on, I am now sharing this device to other people, and they can connect to my headphones or speaker to play the music. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.